Oh yeah, bro, I'm so happy, bro. Nigga, we got what? 1, 2, 3. We got 5 people deep, yo. 5 fucking people deep. Oh my god. Cops, 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 cops. That can't be one of us. No way. Nah, I guarantee you these two fuckers slowed down fast as fuck, yo. That's crazy. Oh shit. Oh, my brakes are screaming.
Bro, I got no brakes, bro. No brakes.
I swear, on that hill, yo, I was cooked. My shit was shaking. Oh yeah. Is that a random? What is a random? I'm sorry, I'm not talking in the draw. I'm trying to concentrate, yo. Nah, this shit is fucking fun, bro. Oh my god. I can't wait till I get a Beamer, bro. Is that Pat? That's Pat.
Yo, I'm trying to see that lineup across. They be having cars back there, though. I'm trying to see what them niggas is out. Man,
wait, where?
they're right back.
Yeah, let me hop in your car now. Let's go. Yo, the Mazdi.
At the top, you don't care about your view. Fuck the bitches, I'm all about you. You treat me the way that you do. It's all about the bottom, bitch, you really ride it do. Like, why you out of the truth? Touch to the shower and buy for you. This love, I can't tell if it's true. Double back, she goes times about 2. In the stool, my fool, I'm a talk in the pool. My bitch, not a lover from my point of view. Where the fuck is you at? When I'm calling her phone, she not calling me back. This bitch on my body, she got me attached. Fuck these turns I got in my pack. We could go tick for tack, I will still never lack. Her body, she don't tell me, but I can tell it's an ass. She just
You're fast, bro.
Come here, one more kiss. Only for safe with my hand on your hip. If they talking, I don't give a shit. Said I don't give a fuck. I don't know, but you losing my trust. Like I don't know if it's love or it's lust. Keep it up, bitch. What is you doing for me? Come on, if it ain't nothing. Like if I'm losing it, you gotta leave. Damn, I'm damn it. Probably the vessel with trust. Like damn, I miss you too. But she pretty, I can't get enough. You look, I've been stuck in a rut. Like it's only me, I'm a cut. I get high and just stare at the sun. Like I told Quack to put walk in my cup. I told Dr. Put walk in my blood. Never was quick to forget. Keep it to yourself just to protect. Niggas dying, I cannot be nice. Call her phone when she gave me facts. Like why the fuck you don't answer my text? I'll be sitting and thinking like we've been a mess. But you really do it the best. No, you want me to stop. You be bugging, you do it a lot. But you so pretty to
Why bro got the
Yo, what the fuck?
I know.
What's good, the tube? We with X Gen right now.
Let me open up. Let me move up.
Did it scratch like underneath, did it?
Bro, oh my god.
I was like, yo, as soon as we heard that, I was like, yo.
Nah, it scratched underneath, not on the actual lip. I thought I had to buy a new one, but nah, okay. Nah, bro, I got one clip of us just moving like that. I'm like, wow.
Nah, I'm good.
I think me and Chris are used to driving with each other.
Nah, I'm good. I'm not
Let me do it.
busting
Let me do it.
I'm not busting my
This is
ass.
how you turn. If you keep your body weight is
All right,
where
hold
you
me
go.
up, hold me up.
It stays central, you stay central. You go forward, you go forward. You go backward, you go backwards.
On our phone.
Oh shit.
Keep it central. Keep your body weight central. It's up to you. Keep your body weight central. Step backwards with the right foot if you want.
Yo, Lucas on some bullshit right now.
Yo, let me try.
Yo, I can't.
This is how you turn, right?
Nah, that's just crazy.
When we got onto the parkway, I booked, and then Chris booked with me. We took the toll. Chris passed me. I see a cop. I'm like,
Yo,
nah.
yo, I saw the cop. I'm like, nah, he's not gonna have to our guys. I knew both of y'all slowed the fuck down. He zoomed past me. I was like, all right, we're good.
I saw Chris because Chris zoomed past me.
shit
Chris
is
hit
so
the brakes because you saw the cop.
Yo, I thought that nigga was coming.
Nah. No, he had his lights on before y'all hit the toll. Before you hit the toll.
When I saw that nigga, I was like, is that a cop?
I
And I was like, nah.
nah, not us. I don't have an M. I don't have an M.
Yo, pop the hood to the M, yo. Pop the hood to the M. Pop the hood to the M.
330i, man.
Pull it twice. Pull it twice.
Yeah, my right.
It's an M340i. Yo, it's an M340i minus 10.
Downshift. Boom, 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 boom. God damn, I can't see shit with these fucking photographs.
Yo, who's leaking oil? Who's leaking oil? That's not oil, that's water.
That's That's water. Yo, come on, I could have been pissed or something, bro. Like,
Yeah, like
you just put your finger and sniffed it, yo. What the fuck?
I had to sniff it, bro.
you just rub it in your fingers, bro.
I just sniffed it. It doesn't matter if it's peace.
Yo, Chris, this is a crazy angle, yo. That's crazy.
POV, you know what I'm saying?
POV.
Yo, I thought somebody was leaking oil. I was about to say, damn.
Mama huevo. Glue, 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 glue.
I want to get
Stop
an
doing
LS,
that shit,
right?
bro.
Which is a bigger version of that in like 2
It's
years.
bad. Chuck it over, bro. Let me get it real quick.
Alex, what you think?
You're not hitting that shit.
No, I hit it, bro.
You do not hit that shit. You're gonna hit it away, you know? Over there.
No, I hit it. First time for the vlog.
Yo, you're not hitting that shit,
Bro,
bro.
first time for the vlog, bro. Come on.
Right. Tell me this.
Yo, stop playing games.
Piece of shit, yo. Stop doing this, bro. Alright, so we just going home then. We follow whoever.
No, it's far away.
Alright. Nah, that was a calm little meet, man. Calm meet. Are you breaking, brother? Nah, it wasn't them. That was Ziad. You said what? Hey, brother, I'm just trying to beat you home, gang. Yo, I saw a Z, but I didn't see Chris or Irving, bro. Like, y'all don't understand, bro. I love cruising with my friends, yo. He was really like, oh my god. I genuinely, I wanted to race the motherfuckers, but we couldn't line up properly. But yeah, man, I'm glad I was talking to them about what car I should get. I feel like everyone is well, Chris, the smart and knowledgeable one, is saying just get the 2.0 or keep my car if anything, which is true, very, very true. But like everyone else is saying, yo, if you could save up for the M340, just get what would make you happy. The thing is though, both would make me happy. I don't know, man. The CVT, like, I love this car, don't get me wrong, but the CVT is what kills me, man. It's what kills me. But yeah, man, hopefully y'all like that video. I know I had fun personally. Like, if y'all want more videos like that, me going out with my friends, yo, just cruising, having a good time, like, I'm so down. By the time end of the year comes, I'd be able to put a bigger down payment or put money towards the negative equity I have on this car, just so I'm able to finance. Oh fuck, there's trash on the road. Just so I'm able to finance the Beamer or the new Honda, whatever the case may be. Because don't get me wrong, yo, I would love to get a Beamer, but I just want to make sure it's financially right for me. All right, I'm looking like fucking starving, yo. Let me pull into AutoZone real quick. I don't know why I said I'm starving and then I'm gonna pull into AutoZone. I meant like I'm gonna pull into AutoZone and see what the fuck like is nearby. I'm not gonna eat fucking nuts and bolts, guys. Let's relax. Thank you. Anyway, I appreciate y'all for stopping by, man. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace, brother. Peace.